right. And here is playing with our letters on the fridge. Oh, what's that?
West.
West. Very good. What we learned this morning. Let's try some. Can you do best? How do you do best? Very good. Oops, sorry. Best. Very, very good. Let's try something else. Can you write dust?
Wait.
What's that? Oh, chest. Can you do chest?
No.
Why not? What's that?
Rich.
Are you sure it's rich? That's A. It reads rich.
Rich.
No, rich with E. Rich. How do you do rich?
I spell this word.
Well, no, this is A. That's not E. You need to find E. Where is E? Where is E?
And I see E.
What's that one here? Yes! Now that is rich. Can you write shine? Name of our dog? How do you do shine? Yeah, shh. Very good.
Where's the nurse?
Shine. How do you do it? Remember?
Where's the nurse?
What are you looking for? Well, you got sh. Now you need ein. So what letters do you need? Very good. Yes, you said it. You need n. Where is n? Yes. And what's the last one you need? No, that's T. That would be shined. Now you need shine. N. There's an E at the end, my love. Shine. It's like a silent E. Very good. That is shine. Very, very good job. You want to try another word?
Yeah.
Let's try lunch. Very good. Very good. L-A-N-C-H. Ch at the end, huh? Lunch. Very good. How would you rewrite chat? You know, like let's chat together. Chat. How do you do chat?
Wait, I have a sound.
Oh, you have a sound? What sound? What are you looking for? What's that sound?
2.
2. That is true. That is 2. I'm going to the post office. 2. Yes. But you did not do chat. So how do we do ch?
Wait, let me do the alphabet.
Ah. Okay.